Hi everyone. For today, the Halloween series 2021, I am including another bonus recipe. Today I'll be making bat cupcakes. What all goes into bat cupcakes? Any flavor of a cake mix and the ingredients to make it with, brown frosting, and black food coloring. And then I got these cute little decorating kits from Walmart that has the cupcake liners, eyes, and wings to make my bats. And I'm going to be making 24 cupcakes, so I got 2 kits. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350. So take a big bowl, dump in your cake mix. And like I said, you add the ingredients as what it calls for in the cake mix. So I have the cake mix, and in this particular recipe, which actually is Betty Crocker Super Moist Devil's Food, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 1/4 cups water, and 3 eggs. And then mix that. So take your muffin pans and your cute little decorative liners. Now if you can't find these kits in your store, you can take black cupcake liners, and then they do sell just candy eyes in the cake decorating aisle, and then you can just make monsters or whatever and put 1 liner in each cavity of your muffin tin. So take your liner filled muffin tins and fill these about 3/4 full. This particular batter is pretty thin. So I have 24 of them filled. Put them in a 350 degree preheated oven for 14 to 19 minutes. And I'm going to do 2 batches. So here are the 24 cupcakes fresh out of the oven. Each batch took 17 minutes to bake. I'll let them cool completely, and then we'll be back to frost them. So my cupcakes are cool, so I can get ready to frost them. Get a decent sized bowl. Take your brown frosting and put in as much as you think you're going to use. I don't know how much I'm going to use, so I'm going to just put in the whole tub. That way I know I have enough. It's hard to match the color if you have to add if you have to add more frosting. And it seems kind of strange to start with the dark color and try to make black, but if you use a white frosting, then you'll be using so much of the black coloring and you'll probably only get gray. And I'm hoping this will work. I've never tried it before. And I bought these Wilton icing colors from Walmart. And you take the black, take a toothpick, and then just put a little bit at a time. And then stir that up and keep adding until you get the color that you want. And I'll keep adding, and I'll be right back. This is a nice pretty bronze color, but I need to make it black, so I'll keep going. So this is actually like a gray black. It to me reminds me of molten metal, but I've used about half of that container. I don't think it's going to get much darker, but it is a pretty color for a bat, I would think. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't have a frosting spreader, so I'm just going to be using a butter knife. And take your cupcake and take your black frosting and just spread that on there. It looks more black now. It's actually kind of pretty. All right, so there we go. I will finish this up and then I'll be right back. So I frosted all 24 cupcakes. Next we'll add the wings and the eyes. So here are the candy eyes and here are the wings. So you'd stick your wings on the side and then put the candy eyes. And there is your bat cupcake for the Halloween series 2021 bonus episode. And I'll finish this up and then I'll show you them when they're all done. So here are all the bat cupcakes done with the little wings and with the little eyes. Now they shorted me one wing and one eye. So I got a Cyclops bat right here. And we'll let these bats just kind of hang out until Dave gets home and can do a taste test. So here is the bat cupcake, and I'll get Dave to do a taste test.
Is it upside down or right? This
That's
way?
right.
This way?
It's either way, as long as they're kind of in the middle. The wings are not edible, but the eyes are.
Okay. Well, I'm going to pull the wings off. It tastes good. I don't know what my teeth look like, but it tastes good. Mm-hmm.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.